That's the sound of money. Fresh, printed money.
Hello, welcome to Finance 101 and Canadian financial health with stocks. On today's episode, I'm going to buy one share of Tesla, and I'm also going to explain the reason why I have not been buying these US companies lately. First of all, as you can see right here, I deposited $180 Canadian. And so let's look for Tesla. If I go to search right here, discover, and I scroll down here, Tesla is trending, so it'll be one of the companies over here. As you can see, Tesla is $122.79 right now. So I'm going to go to buy Tesla. And as always, I'm going to use the TSLA account. That's where the money went. And if you go up here on the market buy, I always set it as limited buy because Tesla is very volatile and it's always moving up and down. So it's better if you set the price target where you want to buy it from. So we're going to set it right here. Tesla right now is still 122. So as right here, I'm going to go 121, say 98. Okay, you're going to go continue. As you can see, the $180 I put in is only, when you convert it to US dollars, only 131. That's the reason why I have not been buying the US stocks lately and just sticking to the Canadian ones, because the exchange rate is really, really high when it comes out that way, 180 to be just 131 US. But we're going to go ahead and just buy one share for now. So one, you're going to go continue. And as you can see, we're going to keep it for 90 days. That way, if it goes down today or tomorrow, we still be able to get it. And we're going to confirm the buy. And just like that, we should get it soon. So I know Tesla has went down a lot lately, but if you think about it, they are still the first one to have the technology when it comes to the electrical cars. So it's nothing to worry about. I know it's going to be going up, but I would like to buy more, but the exchange rate is so high. It's right now. I'm just going to stick with the one for now. So don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I see you in the next one. Peace.